It's Chris O. I need some power for lift off. That's an easy cut DIY because it's coming right through. You can see it on the back. Your PowerPoint cut is easy. What's that? Now let's see if they fit. Da 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 da. If I don't put my clips in now, I won't get them in, folks. So put them in now. Come on, you little shit. Gotcha. Oh yes. I'll take it home, DIYs, I'll take it home. People. We have touchdown, Lucy. That's why I like the bigger architrave, you guys, because I've got a bit of meat there rather than the 10mm architrave. You know, by the time I have glue and my tile, it's easy 12, 13mm. It doesn't work. That's an 18mm profile, and you know, what have I got? 3mm, which ain't much. Nice. Where's my rubber whacker? And when you have a little bit bigger profile, it always gives you a little bit of wiggle room, because you can have a gap there, your silicone along there, and it's hunky-dory. It's beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so I measure all these. What is there, 3? I'll check that they're all the same. It should be. That's for blowing my hooter. I've still got the flu. I've had it for a couple of weeks, but it's sort of on its way out. Another few more days and hopefully my flu is gone. Give us a bit more length there. Cool. Okay, yeah, I'll cut those 3, pop them in, and then I'll zap those, and then all I do is that, and that's now if I'm clever, I will put that row in first, people, because this floor tile is a full tile. So if I do that row first, I'm only cutting once. If I put that row in, then I'd have to trim some off this, and you're doubling up in work. Oh, I've got a silicone up there yet. That's no biggie. So I put those fullies in. So I'll level across, get my line, come up, and we're laughing. I hope you can see what I mean by that. If I put my fully against that wall, if I put this one in first, I'm cutting it, and then I'm cutting this fully because I'm going into it. If I put that fully in first, I'm not having to cut it, I'm only having to cut that once. And that's how you become quicker and quicker in what you do, by doing little things like that. thinking outside the box. You got to think outside the box, people. We'll see you soon. This is Chris O. Subscribe to my channel. Help it expand if you would. I'd be very much appreciated. See ya.